In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Jotform with another user. Jotform is a powerful tool that allows you to create online forms quickly and effortlessly, but sometimes you need to share your creations with colleagues, friends, or clients for review, collaboration, or further action. Today, I'll walk you through the seamless process of sharing your Jotform with someone else, ensuring you're equipped to collaborate efficiently and effectively. First things first, let's head over to Jotform's official website. If you're not automatically directed to the page, a quick search should bring you right to their free online form builder and form creator landing page. Once there, you'll be prompted to log in. It's a straightforward step. Just click on the login button prominently displayed on the web page. For those of you who have connected your Google account or other platforms with Jotform, you'll have the opportunity to utilize those credentials here. This integration makes logging in a breeze, allowing you to access your account seamlessly. Now that you're logged in, you're going to want to navigate to My Forms. This is where all your form creations are stored. From here, the next step involves selecting the form you wish to share. Hover over the desired form and you'll notice a More button appears. Click on it. This action reveals a menu brimming with various options for your form. The next move is to select Publish Form. Clicking this option opens a new realm of possibilities. But for our purpose today, we're focused on one feature in particular, sharing the form via email. Upon selecting Publish Form, look for the Invite by Email option. This tool is specifically designed to make sharing your form as straightforward as possible. Here, you'll be prompted to enter the email address of the person you wish to share the form with. Go ahead and type in that email address, ensuring accuracy to prevent any hiccups in the process. Finally, with the email address filled in, all that's left to do is hit Send Invitation. And just like that, your invitation is on its way to your recipient's inbox, granting them access to view or collaborate on your Jotform as needed. But before we wrap up, let's talk about a few best practices and tips to ensure a smooth sharing process. Firstly, double check the email address you're sending the invitation to. It seems simple, but it's easy to overlook a typo or incorrect domain that could send your invite on a detour. Secondly, communicate with your recipient outside of Jotform to let them know to expect the invite. Sometimes emails from new platforms can slip into the spam folder, so a heads up can ensure your invite is seen and actioned promptly. And there you have it. Sharing a Jotform with another user is as simple as that. A tool designed for ease and efficiency, Jotform makes collaboration and sharing a streamlined, stress-free process. Whether you're working on a team project, collecting feedback from clients, or just need a second pair of eyes on your form, this step-by-step guide ensures you're well equipped to share your forms with confidence and ease. Thank you for joining me in today's tutorial. Stay tuned for more helpful guides and tips to make your online activities smoother and more productive. Happy form sharing!